Hello everyone, in this video I will give you 3 tips by which you will be absolutely clear while choosing the right paint color for your vehicle. If you are new to this channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel. So let's get the video started. So the first tip guys, not all paint colors suit all cars. Different cars have different shapes, designs, lines and proportions. Now what the company does is when it manufactures a car, it will do a lot of research of which color suits best for that particular car according to the design of that car, and on that they will make the colors available. So that particular car will be only available in those particular colors which suits that car the best. Now a vibrant color might work with sporty and aggressive design, while a classic and elegant color will suit a luxury sedan. Now certain colors might be associated with luxury and prestige. Silver and grey might be perceived as elegant, and red and blue might be associated with sportiness. So with that, let's move on to the second tip. And the second tip is not all people can carry all colors. Now most of the people will not like the red color because this red color comes with lots of energy and excitement. And if your personality is on a calmer side, then you will not like to drive that car. Now if red is excitement, then blue falls into the calm category. So it totally depends on what type of personality and style you have and what colors you are most comfortable with. And not all people like the vibrant colors. And with that, let's move on to the third point. And the third tip is not all colors have good resale value. Now if somebody is buying a second-hand car, it will be always in his mind to sell that car later on. And he will try to buy a color which he can sell again. Resale value is very important for many car owners because some colors have broader appeal and they tend to retain their value better than other colors. For example, whites and blacks are considered to have the best resale value than the other colors. So if you are planning to paint the car, and in the future if you are thinking to sell that car, then paint it with white or black. Also, if you will be driving that car in a sunny area, then consider painting your car with white or light colors because this white or light colors reflect the sunlight and which keeps the car cabin slightly cooler than the car which has a darker color shade. Now if you want to know how to paint a car, then it is my job to teach you that. So if you want to know how to take out a dent, how to mix paints, primers, clear coats, how to handle the spray guns, then look no further. My course will teach you everything. I have put a link in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself. So if you like this particular video, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysonsspraybooth signing out until we meet again.